What's up guys, it's me Jimmy again. So here's my Sony A6400 in silver color. Yes, silver color. Personally, I love this silver color because this is a very retro looking design. You heard me right, this is a very retro looking design. Retro means something like, personally I love the retro design of the Olympus. Sadly Canon, I don't know what Canon is doing. Sony do not have a history of producing camera back in 1970 or 80. Most of it they produced very few camera back then. Most it was Canon and Nikon, but sadly I don't know what Nikon and Canon are doing. They're not producing any retro camera. It's only Fujifilm and the Olympus, they're producing a retro style camera, but this is the closest you can get from Sony. Silver color look absolutely retro. When I wear, people think that I'm using a camera from 1980. I do not like the modern look style of a camera with Sony while I'm shooting in African country or some of the Southeast Asian countries such as Eastern Timor. I want something retro. I don't want something black. Black I don't like. Number one thing with black is overheating. If you use a silver color for 4K video, it's much better over the black color. That's all I can say. So yeah, this is the most retro looking camera you can get in silver color. I mean, look at the beauty of it. Yeah, subscribe and bye.